Welcome back to the channel. It's the end of February. This is the video we've all been waiting for. This is the one where we get to put a 2025 car on a rolling road. So on this lovely sunny day then, we're off back up north to Alfreton, up the A38 to the home of Peter Burgess Automotive Engineering. So if you remember, the version 2 car was putting out 95 horsepower in its specification. Since then we've changed the exhaust, the induction system, changed the head. So potentially unlocking a lot of the power within the A series. So mixed emotions this morning, really excited to see what this car will do. The optimist in me is hoping for, I don't know, somewhere up to 110 horsepower, which would be absolutely incredible and make for a really competitive Group 3 car, I think. This time in the morning, there's only one real thing to think about: coffee.
Thing to do, isn't it? Why does it just keep reading higher and higher? That's what I just found. That's on 6. Right, 100 mils of 7.6. Yeah.
So there we go then, rolling road tuned, ready for 2025. But what do the results say, you say? Well, as with any rolling road tune-up, what you get for your money is a nice piece of paper. Of course, that giving you the engine power and the engine torque. So what's it done? Well, the engine overall, the car overall, was putting out around 105 horsepower at peak, but what's more important is when that engine power is available. So really rough from about 3,500-4,000 revs, we've got steady engine power. Climbing nicely here, and then really coming on song at around 4,000 to 5,000 revs per minute. So my rev range really, what, 4.5, up to about 6,500 revs. More importantly though, as this is a sprint and hill climb car, is the torque. And the torque running fairly linearly here, dropping off a little bit at the end, but peak torque just over 100 pounds-feet, just under 5,000 horsepower, I wish, 5,000 RPM. And for me, to some degree, the torque is more important than the overall peak power, because when you're going up a hill climb, when you're doing small twisty circuits, you need full torque, full power, from a fairly low rev range through to peak RPM. So a flat torque curve from what, 3,000 RPM up to 6.5 means this car should continue to pull like a train all the way up the climbs. So more importantly then, it's tuned up, the emissions are right, it's ticking over okay, we're good to go for this year. The new system and setup all dialed in. So the next test then is to put it to test, get it on the track, see what it'll do, and shake it down, ready for that first event at the end of March. So a couple more jobs left to do. Got to fit the contents of this box. A couple more jobs to do then, a couple more videos to make. So again, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See you next time.